CRX. Jesse? Is Jesse here? Anybody know Jesse? Sorry, man. Sorry. Alright, so Jesse, come on. The CRX. Jesse around? Is that yellow spoon one? Is that spoon car? Yeah, that thing's clean. Alright. Best exotic vehicle. Best exotic vehicle goes to Greg Park with a 458. Oh, great. So that's unfair. Jesse Torres? As this culminates an awesome, beautiful day, Clutch Kicking taking some names. Alright, so again, best luxury vehicle, Victor Leon. Victor Leon with the Audi A4 wagon. Victor, what's up, man? Long time. Go Niners. Go Niners. This car ran through the 1960s. Go out and live. We'll be happy to get you broken like you. All right, who's your favorite Niner of all time? God. Bill Walsh. We'll get you a new one. You got a good event? Hey, Jay, you have a good event? Sure, appreciate it. Second time. Keep on there. Best classic car. Next up, best performance vehicle. This goes to Jeff Strick. Jeff Strick. You're feeling it, huh? Jeff, come on over here, bud. Come on. Oh, you don't need to run. You don't need a jog. It's okay, I'll do jogging for you. Congratulations, Jeff. There you go, bud. Right on, thank you so much, Jeff. Congratulations with the Wrangler. And finally, best of show. Make some noise for the drifters out there. Ryan Turk in that Toyota Racing Toyota Corolla hatchback, wrapping it up, putting a bow on it, and the bow courtesy of Middle Tire 555 G2. That Toyota Corolla hatchback. Chelsea Renova, Tommy Roberts, Ernie Fixmer, and of course, Nick Nelson behind the wheel of the Ultra 4. Thank you for all those drifters and drivers. Finally, best of show. Alright, let's go. Ryan Turk back there, Chelsea Nova, and Tommy Roberts. Send it, fellas. Turk, Denova, and Roberts. Corolla, Mustang, and a 240. Massive angle left from Turk. Ford Mustang and the L-Star S14. Chelsea Nova now bringing up the rear. Tommy will bring up the rear. Now Tommy, trying to get close to that Corolla. You break me by, Tommy. Tommy flirting with the side. Tommy Roberts flirting with disaster there on that previous run. Disaster meeting the side of that Corolla. This is the same hot hatchback. Ryan Turk in the finals of the previous round of competition. Again, Ryan Turk normally piloting a Toyota Racing Toyota 86 in the Formula 2 Championship. Racing, and Ryan Turk behind the wheel. Most recently winning last weekend at Formula Drift, New Jersey. Piloted his Gum-Out Toyota 86 to an overall victory. So again, Ryan Turk behind the wheel here at Nitto Tire Auto Enthusiast Day. This Toyota Corolla hatchback, a demo car prepared by Papadakis Racing. That's his Gum-Out Toyota Racing Toyota 86. Got the victory in New Jersey. Make some noise for him, Ryan Turk! Hard part, it looks like the Toyota Corolla hatchback of Ryan Turk, the Toyota Racing UAR, this 4-cylinder turbo, estimated about 1,000 horsepower with the nitrous, detuned it as Chelsea Nova sticks the nose of that Ford Mustang right there next to his Formula Drift competitor Ryan Turk, and that Toyota Corolla hatchback. This is the same vehicle that Frederick Osbo competes in the Formula Drift Championship. And coincidentally, Ryan Turk beating Frederick Osbo in the finals just last weekend. Drift drivers at Irwindale Speedway, October 18th and 19th. Senator Chelsea Nova, Ryan Turk. This is a borrowed car. He doesn't want to throw it into the door, but man, he's still pushing it. Make some noise for him. Chelsea Nova, Ryan Turk. Nitto Tire Auto Enthusiast Day, presented by Driving Line. Chelsea Nova getting on the box.
Right here.
Ready to rock, ready to rowdy. Ryan Turk, that's the Toyota Corolla hatchback. That's the second generation of the popular 555 Nitto Tire. Yeah, sticker to the door. Chelsea sending it out there. Ryan Turk with a 4-cylinder engine, shredding some stickers off those brand new 5 G2s. Hit the jump. Oh, come on, hit the jump, guys. Again, the rental car of that Toyota Corolla hatchback is definitely not hitting. Join us at Great Line Alpine Horizon Festival in Colorado at Pikes Peak International Raceway. As now Ryan Turk leads, Chelsea Nova give it chase. Thank you, and be kind to one another. Here we go, Ryan Turk.